Welcome again to more math with capacity. We are still working on that TEAC 4.8 where we can identify and convert our units of customary measurement for capacity. And we're going to be working on the converting part here right now. So if you remember the other day, I showed you this cool chart and it looked like this. It's called the measurement conversion strategy. Okay. Remember, we had to first write down what we're looking for and what we have from the problem. So the problem was Jacob had 648 inches of electrical wire. How many feet of electrical wire does he have? So we know he has 648 inches, and we want to know how many feet. Then you write what you know above it. You write inches above inches, feet above feet. We know 12 inches equals 1 foot. Then you circle the unit you're trying to find, and you draw that arrow going from inches to feet. Then remember, we look at it and we think, 12 is bigger than 1. So 1 is smaller. So we're going from bigger to smaller. And we know that to go bigger to smaller, that means we are going to divide because we're talking about equal units here. So we have to divide, not subtract, divide. All right, so if we do 12 divided by 12, that equals 1 foot. If we do 648 divided by 12, that will tell us how many feet we need here. We go back to our original problem and we do it. 648 divided by 12 equals 54. So Jacob has 54 feet of electrical wire. So we are going to use this process when we are figuring out how to convert our fluid ounces, cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. Now, remember, we need to know what we know. So here's that big square capital G again, okay? And in it, in each corner is a quart because there are 4 quarts in a gallon. And each quart, there are 2 pints. And then there's 2 cups in each pint, just like this. So this gives us a great visual for what we know. All right, now we're ready to convert. So we want to know if 16 fluid ounces is greater than, equal to, or less than 3 cups. So we're going from fluid ounces to cups, and you're like, fluid ounces isn't on here, okay? That is perfectly okay. I'm going to just give this to you for now. And on your star paper that you will have with your star test, it will tell you 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup. Okay? So 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup. So I'm going to write what I know right above here. 8 fluid ounces equals 1 cup. Okay? So I'm going to say, we need to know cups. We're going to go from fluid ounces to cups. So the number's getting smaller, so we are going to need to divide. So 8 divided by 8 equals 1. So then I'm going to do this. I'm going to say 16 divided by 8, because that's how many fluid ounces are in a cup. Well, if we look at our multiplication chart and we put our finger on the divisor, 8, and we slide it across till we see a number equal to or slightly less than 16, I see 16 right there. And then we're going to slide our finger straight up. I see that 8 goes into 16 2 times. So we put 2 on top. 2 times 8 is 16. Subtract 0, 0 is less than 8. There's nothing else to bring down. So now I see that 16 fluid ounces is 2 cups. And they want to know if it's greater than, equal to, or less than 3 cups. And remember, it's not equal because 2 cups does not equal 3 cups. And remember, we always have the alligator eat the bigger one. So 3 cups is bigger. So our alligator here is going to be the The open mouth is toward the bigger one. So that's how we convert some fluid ounces into cups. Let's take a look at this, because now I see Henry is filling a bathtub with 15 gallons of water. How many quarts of water is this? So according to our measurement conversion strategy, first we want to write what we're looking for and what we have from the problem. So I see we have 15 gallons. Okay, I'm going to do it over here. 15 gallons equals, and they want to know how many quarts. Question mark, quarts. Okay, then if I look here, write what I know about this as inches and feet, but we're doing gallons and quarts equivalencies on top. So if I look at my picture here, I know 1 gallon equals 1, 2, 3, 4 quarts. Okay. And then it says we're supposed to circle the unit we're trying to find and draw an arrow to that unit. So we're trying to find quarts. And draw going from gallons to quarts. And I notice that my number is getting bigger. And we're talking about equal groups of quarts here. It's going from 1 to 4, so we must have to multiply. 1 times 4 equals 4. So that tells me, if I do the same thing down here, 15 times 4, 5 times 4 is 20. Put the 0 here, carry the 2. 1 times 4 is 4. Plus 2 would be 6. So we have 60 quarts. So our answer would be 15 gallons equals 60 quarts. Ladies and gentlemen, that is how you convert things from ounces and cups and quarts. Start with what you know and then figure out the math from there. I know you can do it, 4th grade. Have a great day.